We are to do new and remarkable things in the future and to be significant to both our times and to the world of our children. Thank you very much. Mariner 10 returned almost 3,000 pictures of the surface of Mercury. These features and these pictures are like the pages of a history book. Now we can begin to compare and contrast, to look for similarities and differences, and try to recognize our family relationships among the terrestrial planets. Are we cousins or brothers? Or are all of us bizarre strangers that happen to inhabit the same portion of the solar system?
Saturn and the rings. My favorite picture was I have it on the wall down at Caltech, a great big one version of it. And we used it in the Christmas card from JPL, I think, at that point. There's a picture, and it's up close, and it shows beautiful Saturn with the rings around it. You can see the shadow of the rings on Saturn. You can see that the rings are actually transparent. Elegant thing. But then as you look at it, you realize you're behind Saturn looking back at the sun and the Earth. That's a fantastic sense. You, the viewer, your brain, is behind Saturn. To me, that was a mind-blowing experience. It still is. There was a special irony at JPL, and a special irony for me personally, since how deeply I believed in planetary exploration. And the greatest exploration in this century, certainly, or that century, the 20th century, and maybe since Captain Cook or Magellan, it's obviously arguable, was going on. Voyager was launched in 77, 79, the first Jupiter encounter, 80, the first Saturn encounter. That's the very time that the program was being strangled because of this launch vehicle problem, to not be able to have launches for a long time afterwards. And so the contrast between those two was personally very difficult for me.